Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can get Chat GPT-4 for free. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Poe. Open the official website and make sure to log in using your account to continue along. You can see there are a number of chatbots in front of you. Choose the GPT-4 bot and you will be able to use it however you like. But note that the access is limited, and since I have already used my credits, I won't be able to show you. The other way of using it for free forever is going to be Bing AI. Simply open a new tab and search for Bing Chat, and you will be able to access it. You can see Bing AI uses the GPT-4, and that's how you can get Chat GPT-4 for free. Hope you like the video. Thanks.